Hi, I'm Nicole Belanda from Rockwell Automation, and we're here to talk about results achieved. I'm joined by Jillian from ReThink Milling to talk about some really neat results that they're working on. Hi, Jillian.
Hi there, Nicole.
It's so nice to meet you in person and to have a chance to talk about this. Can you share a little bit about your role at ReThink Milling and also how ReThink Milling came to be?
I joined the Canada Mining Innovation Council. It was about, 4 years ago. And when they asked me to help them kick off this project to develop a new grinding machine, I was kind of thinking, well, why is it so difficult? Why do we need a new machine to break rock? And I didn't realize when I started the project with them is that between 3 to 6% of the world's energy is used to make metal grind rock. And 50% of that energy is used in comminution. So this machine, this concept, was geared to be able to improve the energy efficiency by at least 50% compared to the best available technology. We're actually a not-for-profit group that we bring together the industry, the mining companies, to really work on, I want to say, disruptive technology or technology that could never be developed by a single company. And so we started with a group of 5 mining companies who said, we'll put some skin in the game, we'll support this project. We're at 8 mining companies now. We have Rockwell Automation who joined in 2021.
I love this idea of it's like joint or collaborative research and development. I've seen it in some other industries. I don't know that I've seen it so much in the mining industry before. Is this kind of a first?
It's certainly a first experience that I've ever had where you're developing a technology in front of your end users, in front of your clients. They all weigh in, so they're not just providing funding, they're providing insights and they're providing us with their technology experts as well. And when we're developing this technology, they basically are telling us what the market wants, what they want in order to adopt something that's completely different, completely new. It started with a concept, and within 4 years it became this big machine that we're testing right now, 50 tons per hour. The CAM platform technology, we've developed the CAM machine, which is 50 tons per hour, but it feeds into another machine called the monoroll, same kind of concept, which will be used to basically replace ball mills. So it's a grinding technology platform, and when it's all working together, we're hoping to show we'll get a 65% improvement over conventional comminution circuits, and will help to eliminate pebble crushers and a whole bunch of auxiliary equipment. So not only are we going to reduce energy consumption, but will ultimately simplify flow sheets and make the whole grinding process less costly.
Wow, that's really cool. I knew about the energy reduction piece, but I hadn't thought about how it might change the whole flow of their process facility. And if you think about it, there's probably a lot of hidden benefits baked into that. Maybe less downtime if they have fewer pieces of equipment to keep track of, maybe more optimal process. There's just such a potential for this to be a cost savings and a help for these mining companies.
We're getting some really promising results. It's an exciting journey, or it has been so far.
This has been a very fun challenge for our Rockwell technical team. I have the privilege of talking to them once in a while about how the project is going, and it's just a really fun challenge in real time, like you said, to be building in front of customers. It's a very different vibe than building a project or a product first and then selling it to your customers and hearing how they feel about it.
So Rockwell, we're pushing your hardware and software to the limits, and your technical team has been instrumental in helping us to get the required data so we can actually, build that next unit, the next commercial unit. When you're working together, innovating, as innovation happens at the speed of trust, and that was actually said by our CEO, Carl Weatherall. And it's true, there's a trust, and so people are very open right now. So I think it takes time, and I think if we have more of these kind of projects where with the open collaboration, it doesn't happen immediately, but I think through time, the customers are going to open up a little bit and say, well, this is actually not working for us, and we really need something that helps us here. But they don't open up at the beginning, that's for sure. Everyone sort of holds their cards close to their chest, but I think it's just human nature. As you start to trust each other, you actually talk about the real issues and what it's really going to take it, bring a technology and actually end up using it.
I love that. It's all about the trust. You can only fix as much as you know. So the more we can get our customers to share that valuable feedback, the better. I hope there are more projects like this. This is a very interesting one. Thank you, Jillian, for sharing a little bit of background on it. And we'll have to check back in with you in, 6 months, a year, and see how things are progressing.